a ready-to-use web-based XBRL solution which allows you to quickly convert financial reports into XBRL documents. TS XBRL generates XBRL documents that are fully compliant with the MCA guidelines and provides a friendly spreadsheet interface to the users. TS XBRL solution provides a unique integrated suite of components that combine to provide customers with the most complete XBRL solution in the market. TS XBRL is a powerful yet simple and efficient application that enables effortless creation of XBRL documents without requiring extensive knowledge of XBRL. TS XBRL supports XBRL 2.1 specifications and complies with the XBRL conformance suite. It also includes a powerful rules-based validation engine that supports all of the business rules included in the MCA taxonomy. TS XBRL, a solution which provides a quick, easy and reliable way of filing XBRL as per the MCA mandate. We will now demonstrate some of the compelling features of TS XBRL, which makes it easy and user-friendly. Auto-fetch of company info. Users need not key in company details even once. Users can just enter corporate identity number and all related information shall be added to company setup and relevant link base. Questionnaire. Every link base and table are not applicable for every user. So, by answering the questions, user can avoid various link bases and tables which are irrelevant as per the financial statements. Comprehensive dashboard. Users can know the completion status of their XBRL, know the error status for each link base and directly go to any link base or table where the user wants to edit the data. Auto-generation of parents. In TS XBRL, the summations are auto-generated along with feature of inbuilt auto-calculation, so users can avoid entering these data, which shall save time and effort for user. Uploading last year's data. Users can upload previous year XML filed with MCA into TS XBRL so that all the data from the previous years is automatically generated by the application and the users only need to enter the current year's data. Export-import to Excel. TS XBRL provides essential feature of export-import of Excel data, where user can use a template-based Excel sheet to key in data and import the data to TS XBRL for generation of final output. The collapse and expand feature is a unique feature which allows for working on the elements which are relevant for the user. TS XBRL, where XBRL is the destination and we are your path.